5. Why? These even are removed. Whatever left. That is the expression of given number whenever it is odd. Okay. Again, first of all, write this one. Okay. Euclid's algorithms, statements, then start according to B. According to B, write down R also. How many possibility of R are there? You can write here. Then write down all expressions possible. Now out of this, they talking about, or they say us, any odd integer is in the form of particular. So first of all, we remove all even. Okay, we cannot say directly these are odd. So remove even. So these are even because they are divided by 2. Now whatever left, they are odd. So any positive integer is in the form of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. If they might have asked about even, then we can write directly here up to this step only. Why? Because these all three are even. Okay? Not as even but odd. So we here extended our sum by writing 2 lines. Okay, so this is the matter. Okay, next one. In same exercise, there is another question. Okay, I am writing on board question number 4, 1.1, number 4. Okay, this is our main part. On base of this one, we solve all question here. So now I remove this part. Look at number 4. You just read twice before starting. Now, it is written there, square of any positive integer is. Here square is there. In earlier one, only positive integer, not square of positive. So square of any positive integer. Is in the form of either 3m or 3m plus 1. What is the meaning of this one? First of all, understand before going to solution. They say that any square is either multiple of 3, otherwise multiple of 3 plus 1. Okay, any square means square of any integer will be either multiple of 3, otherwise multiple of 3 plus 1. Take example 1. So 1 is in form 3m plus 1. Why? Because 3 into 0, m can be any whole number. So 3 zeros are 0 plus 1. Now take 4. 3 ones are 3 plus 1. Now take 9. 3 threes are 9. Now take next number 16. 3 fives are 15 plus 1. 25. 3 eights are 24 plus 1. 36. 3 into 12. Okay. So only in two forms. Either multiple of 3 or multiple of 3 plus 1. But here what is m? M is anything. Okay. Now they have given us hint also. Suppose A's value, or sorry, expression is 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2, means B is suppose here 3. So let B equal to 3. Actually in hint that is given. Therefore, then R can be 0 or 1 or 2. Actually they have given directly expression to us, but we go systematic way. Okay, according to that B's value, they can be 3q plus 1, only 3q or 3q plus 2. So now write, therefore A equal to 3q, A equal to, yes, come here, 3q plus 0. Now first time 0, then 3q plus 1. So we are having B and R both. Okay, 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. So 3 expression we got, or they have given. Anyway, now one question may arise in your mind whenever nothing is given, is how to decide what is the value of b. Mostly if nothing is given at that time, you can suppose b as a 3. B as a 3. Otherwise some hint we can obtain from question also. Even then, nothing is clear, then at that time you can take value of b as a 3. Now it is clearly given. Okay. So a equal to 3q, 3q plus 1, 3q plus y, you know very well using this statement. Now they are not talking of positive integer, they are talking of square of positive integers. So these are expression of any positive integers. Okay, we have not made square of that one. So now make square of all 3 expressions. Okay, so in this way only I make square only. Okay, you can write in upward manner also. Now a equal to 3q, so a square equal to 3q square. Why I am making square here? It is about square of any positive integer, not only positive integers just like previous one. So in previous one we have not made square of that expression of any, but now it is given, that's why we making square both sides. Okay, so it will be 9q square. Now here also a equal to 3q plus 1. Okay, so a square equal to 3q plus 1 whole square. Now you know a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, means first term square plus 2 into first last into last term square. So write down a square equal to first term square 9q square. Why? A plus b whole square, so a square plus 2ab means multiplication of this and this, so plus 6q plus b square. Okay, so I used here a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. How? Actually it was 3q plus 1 square, so write down this a square plus 2ab plus b square. But what is really a and b? A is 3q, b is 1. So whenever a is there, write down 3q. Okay. Whenever b is there, write down 1. Now open this bracket. So 9q square plus 6q plus 1. Okay. So now onwards we will make square of any binomial directly. Okay. Only first time I am giving you the identity and how this identity is used. Okay. Now look here, a square equal to 3q plus 2 square, just like this one. Again x plus y whole square, so x square plus 2xy plus y means first term square 2 into first second, 2 into first second, 2 3s are 6 2s are 12q. Okay, x square 2 into x into y plus y square. Okay, so we already made square of all 3 expressions. Now they are telling us that given square of any positive integer may be in the form of 3, so try to take 3 common. Why? We require 3. Okay, so 3 is a common, only 3, not 9. So whatever left, 3q square. Here also a square equal to 3 as a common, so 3q square plus 2q plus 1. Here also a square equal to, first of all write this one in some different way. Why? Here is a 4 is greater than 3, so I can split that number this way, 3 plus 1. Why? So that I can take common from first 3 terms. Okay, so if it is greater than that number, then you have to split this way only. Therefore a equal to 3 common out of first 3 terms. Okay, why? Out of 1 3 is not common, from 3 terms only. So 3q square plus 4 cube plus 1 plus 1. Now, whatever bracket, that is not important. What is given inside of bracket, that is not important. We only interested in multiple means coefficient. So I can write here in place of bracket anything, any new letter that is given. So I am writing here m only. Okay, whatever m, not important. I can write here a square equal to 3q plus 1. Here also a square equal to 3q plus 1. So here we get a square equal to 3m, a square equal to 3q plus 1, a square equal to 3q plus 1 again. So, sorry, 3m. Okay, instead of that bracket write down m not q. Okay, so a equal to 3m, 3m plus 1 and again 3m plus 1. So any square is in the form of 3m, 3m plus 1 only. Okay, I have given you example also of all square. Okay, you can verify it also. So this is the way how to write it. Okay, not calculative part but express this way only. Okay, so again I repeat it. What is the question? Square of any positive integer is in the form of this one, 3m, 3m plus 1. Now, b equal to 3, they given us in a hint only. So, we have to take here 3. So, according to that supposition, r can be either 0 or 1 or 2. Now, use this expression. Okay, I forgot to write it again, but you understand every time you have to write at a starting of your solution. Now, 3 expression we got of given positive integer, only, not of that square. Square is still not obtained. Okay, so now make square of all 3 expressions. How? This way only. Okay, so all are obtained. How they are expanded, you know here. So whatever obtained in bracket, that is nothing but suppose it m, because they have written here m alphabet. Okay, so only 2 expression we got. So at last give that answer ki any positive, square of any positive integer is in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1. Okay, that is our final answer. Okay. So these are only 2 questions of our exercise 1.1. Now note down homework. Okay, right here. Any positive integer, any even positive integer is in the form of (4q) or 4q plus 2 only. Okay. Now same way, any odd positive integer is in the form of 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. Both are same types of but different. So understand that way. Now number 3. Square of any positive integers is in the form of